Are you planning a luxury family cruise and wondering what Explora Journeys offers for your kids? Here's a quick view of the Nautilus Club, a dedicated space for young explorers. The Nautilus Club is open from 9 a.m. to midnight and offers various activities for young people ages 6 to 17.
I have a Nintendo Switch, PlayStation,
Oh
and
goodness.
Xbox.
Okay.
And when I have the sport I do upstairs, I have a modded one.
Oh
It's a
wow.
hoverboard.
Oh, hoverboard.
Yes.
Okay.
There are next-gen gaming consoles like PlayStation 5, Xbox, and VR. Plus, there are technology tournaments, board games, a digital library, and even a pool table.
And this is beautiful too. I just noticed
Yeah,
this.
when they come, when inside the club, say, wow,
Uh-huh.
for kids, they say yes.
Yeah, this is nice. Okay.
In partnership with the MSC Foundation, children can participate in programs focused on our planets and oceans. These programs are designed to educate and entertain. Creative kids will love the arts and crafts sessions around the ship, and time is also set aside for the sports court and the pools. The Nautilus Club hosts are certified in child safeguarding and follow CLIA standards. They're caring, creative, and focused on ensuring your kids have a fantastic time. Even little ones aged 3 to 5 can join with a parent or guardian during dedicated time slots. There are age-appropriate activities just for them. Explora Journeys even provides in-suite toys for infants 6 to 23 months. Unfortunately, children under 6 months of age are not permitted to sail. Now let's talk about savings. Infants aged 6 to 23 months sail free. Children aged 2 to 17 enjoy up to 50% off the cruise fare. To qualify, they must be your suite's third or fourth guest. Explora Journeys understands that luxury for kids is about being engaged and having fun. The Nautilus Club is its own unique space to create unforgettable memories.